We need the temperature check on the rear pallet now.
Reading 40 degrees. Looks good to go. The harvest date for the Finca del Sol shipment is accurate, and the temperature history remains stable across transport.
The stainless steel tunnel utilized fine mist of chlorine dioxide to eliminate contaminants.
The sweetness rating on the red sample is lower than expected.
Let me cross-reference the acidity. It checks out.
Micro dispensers add natural flavor enhancers and electrolytes into the juice. Robotic arms operate with
Sensor reading is optimal.
Agreed. We can proceed.
The temperature curve is holding steady at 72 degrees.
Good. The stabilization is optimal.
towering reservoirs hold the fully blended watermelon beverage. Robotic stirrers rotate with slow
Pressure's dropping faster than expected on the main pipeline.
Rerouting the cycle now. Looks stable.
The pressure on the injector array 7 seems low.
I'm reading the same data here. We should monitor the next cycle.
Before bottling, equalization systems balance internal tank pressure. A digital readout shows pressure curves stabilizing as the systems adjust.
The flow rate looks good here. Confirmed. We're holding at 5 nines purity across the board.
Laser scanners inspect each bottle for cracks or imbalances.
The controlled heating unit activates the adhesive, causing the gentle steam. Robotic sensors ensure the temperature remains within precise parameters. Laser beams detect fill height in real time, instantly halting any nozzle that exceeds the calibrated level. Red light pulses illuminate the bottles momentarily.
The current torque reading is precise.
Optimal capping achieved across the line.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding projections by 10%.
And the seal integrity remains perfect.
It does.
Check the batch labels on this stack. The scanner shows green. And the adhesive application is holding steady.
To ensure stability during long-distance shipping, these robotic arms attach reinforced cardboard corners, securing them in milliseconds.
As the platform spins, the plastic film stretches tightly over the cartons. The automated heat blowers then
This shipment is cleared for Bay 3. Just sign here confirming receipt.
Okay, got it.